Mercy me.
Less complicated and won't leak. So this is the way to go.
I got the goods. Look, smile. I've been hitting them already.
Did you get them from the Whole Foods store? Vegan or?
The sugar store. So, you know, when we get the special situations, we gotta call up Daddy Rob. So we got an HVAC unit in the drop ceiling of a commercial kitchen that has a cooling tower. And we have a pump that needs to be changed that's valved off in the carmines. So my question is, do we want to get involved with that? Can we just shut the valves off, shut the power off to that pump, and swap it out? I've never done one. Where we gotta shut down the whole tower, go through the whole thing, blah, blah, blah.
Oh, this is Atlantic City.
This is a Series 300 pump or Series 150, I'm not sure.
Oh, now we're talking commercial. Okay, good. All right, so now...
Stoked.
And it goes directly to the tower, what you're saying, and not a heat exchanger.
He said cooling tower only. Again, I'm listening to the maintenance guy who I'm sure he knows what's up in there. He's there every day.
Alright.
He could have just got hired as a bus driver too, we don't know. But it's a B&G 100, 300. I'm just want to let that kick around your head. It's a planned event. There's no, it ain't today, it ain't tonight. Or tomorrow, all right?
What's up, my man? My name's Tim.
I'm Rob. Nice to meet you.
Your name's Rob? Who's going to the trot with me? Chucky and you? He's saying something about 500 B&G. It really doesn't matter. What pipe is it in? The return pipe from the tower? The supply pipe to the tower? The return pipe from the chiller, supply pipe to chiller. Who knows, but there's probably one set of valves. You get one shot up. You turn that valve and it don't shut it off. You pull the pump, you dump.
Well, I don't know nothing about chillers, so that's why you're coming.
Well,
Boiler, I'm fine. Boiler loops, I don't know nothing about. I mean, I'm
oh, please, swag.
This is clear. I might have to go to Tropicana. I might just gamble.
Please, swag. Make 30 grand a month. I make that 17. Oh, you got a photographer, brother. You're back in show business. Lights, bulbs, gasket, hangers, wires, kitchen valves. We're ready. We need a voltmeter too.
Got one.
You know where the disconnect is?
Got it.
Are we there?
You got your lunch with you today, huh? Where's your lid? Broke?
Just trying to come back, brother. I'm trying.
What'd you get for
It got
lunch?
sticky and after. Am I allowed to curse now?
You're not allowed to curse no more. You're on the clock.
That like a new geek. So right now the pump is leaking. Are you cool? Saturday night, were you cool?
It's working, like it shut off, and we have to go manually turn it back on.
You manually turn it, so it's shutting off.
Yes.
So many of them up there.
Yeah.
I don't think it's going anywhere.
All they're doing, see this loop here? They're making a better loop.
But what is this water in here? Is this
Chilled water, 44 degrees.
for what?
To go into the coil, line of coil. Oh, right here. There it is, right here.
So this is to cool the building or to cool equipment?
Just to cool this box. This looks like it's 40 ton or 20 ton.
So this is AC.
It's AC only, yeah. He's gonna have one too.
I know he is.
I'm trying to think of the most outrageous thing that can happen to hers. I don't see many. Now you're buying the whole thing, not only the motor, but the middle section
Change the whole pump.
and the loop.
Yep. Not changing flanges. We have to.
And we'll bring new bolts too.
Oh yeah.
Sockets ain't gonna work, I don't think.
6 a.m. Monday.
Yeah.
I'll pick you up 4 a.m.
Will you have motor in hand?
Until you get it tonight.
There you go.
Did you take your iPad up there and get the shots? Marcy's gonna be mad, dude.
Why?
Take over, just give us their duplicate.
So you ought to go get the motor with Chuck. Now, I thought he's in the city. New York and Atlantic.
All right, let's get the pump and put it in. Then we'll have dinner here together.
Yes, sir.
First thing Monday morning, the boys are on it. And we're here to install that pump that we looked at Friday. And yeah, should be a good day with the boys. So this is what it looks to be a real genius.
Well,
Not
call
even.
it old school, ready to die in 17 seconds.
What do you mean ready to die in 17 seconds though? I don't get that part. I get the old school.
Light.
Hey, what's he doing? He's got an electrical cord there. That's not allowed.
Happy Monday, happy Monday.
Right on that one, Bill. Up the ladder, so that
Yeah.
falls.
Okay, great. Good job.
Yep.
Good job. All right, first thing we'll do is we're gonna shut the power off to that. Now, for the fun of it, you want to click that on to see if the switch works, so we ain't got check voltage. Don't come on, does it?
Yeah, but nothing's kicking, so
All right, it may not be calling.
no call.
Fucking 9/11. Started believe 19 years when the fuck died.
Yeah, today is 9/11.
18. Whatever the fuck. It is.
There she be.
Getting involved so you can get a proper photographer in there. It's been around since 1940s or 50s.
How do you
But
know
they're
that?
expensive, because I'm old too. You got the motor. You got a coupling in there.
Yeah.
And this is actually another part. The shaft from the motor, the shaft from the impeller, and a coupling. Through time, the motor drops a little bit due to the absorber, the bearings. Usually the coupler goes bad, so you can oil it. Usually 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. And then you got your impeller. Volute system. Less complicated and won't leak. So this is the way to go. The only thing we got to do is play games with the flanges. That's what that good man's up there doing, earning his money so he can buy that neighborhood he's in. All right, Keith.
Fuck you by the neighborhood I'm in.
That's a good investment, brother. You're a rich man if you can own that place where you live.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to work again in your life just on that neighborhood, water and sewer, that's it. Here, to make marks to make sure our brothers and sisters in the classroom for future generations can move fluid and sleep at night without thinking, did I get that joint? Did I get it?
Holding it
Yes,
to me, pushing to me.
See what's in that? Open that one up right there. Just for the fun of it. Cause you're straight.
Just for the fun of it, open the one on your end. Somebody gets
No,
wet.
I can't see. This thing's a blinder. I tried to paint it with green on it. That's overspray, in my opinion.
We got 2 whites, so that means
So the
2
yellow-
whites gonna go together.
The yellow is going to red when the time is right. go to amp, and we'll put the clamp on it, and we'll put the clamp on the red. What should it be? Since I read the box, it did say 3.6. When it tries to run, get the switch on, you never want water deadheaded. So they run this little loop, bring it back. Why else would you run that loop? It's the same thing with the projects over there. We get to the end of the heating and cooling loop, they run them two B&Gs. That's the same theory here. See what I'm getting at?
Yeah, because they don't want it to slow down at the end of the loop.
Right, so they're taking a supply, sucking it, and discharging it into the return. Here, go to the projects, we should be doing the same things over here underneath that baseboard. Suck the supply into the pump, into the building's return.
Just another, yeah. Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
The re-enter.
Now we know how to do it. Because I trust this a lot more than what I trust somebody with brainstorming over there. Time to get a coffee.
You think?
Meaning victory for the working men of America.
You want me to stop filming and help you or not?
Yeah. Let the light down.
Moving, here he comes. Here it is. And he's down.